Today we're talking about how to install plugins for OBS. Plugins are going to allow you to do some crazy stuff, so let me show you the general process of how to install them. Your first stop for plugins will always be the OBS Forms. These pages include any requirements, features, and download links. You can download a plugin by clicking the download button towards the top right of the page. This opens up a pop-up window like this, where you can select the download relevant to your system. If the button takes you to the developer's GitHub, you can usually just scroll down towards the bottom of the page and find the downloads there. Quick note, these will almost always be zip files, so remember to extract the contents if needed. So we have our plugin downloaded, but how do we put it into OBS? Plugin installation comes in two flavors: installers and drag and drop, what I call manual install. Installers are the easiest to set up. Just run the installer and it'll automatically put the plugin files where they need to go. Alternatively, if the plugin does not come with an installer, just take the two folders you extracted from the zip, they're called data and OBS plugins, and copy them over to where your OBS installation is. That's right, you can literally just drag and drop these. And with that done, restart OBS and your plugin is now installed. Good job! I'll be doing some plugin specific tutorials in the coming weeks, so please look forward to those. If you want to get a head start, I'll be talking about move transition and stream effects, so everything will be linked in the replies. As always, you can find me at Twitch at WaffleBoffo, and let me know if you have any questions. So go on, go do cool stuff.